Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nest Connect. This process is useful for troubleshooting connectivity problems or when you need to transfer ownership. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can easily get your device back to its factory settings. It's a straightforward procedure that takes just a few moments to complete, helping you resolve common issues quickly and efficiently. Before you begin the reset, make sure your Nest Connect is powered on and easily accessible. You will need to locate the small reset button, which is typically found on the back or bottom of the device. Often, this button is recessed, so having a straightened paperclip or a similar thin object handy will be very helpful for pressing it correctly. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick reset process. To perform the reset, gently insert your paperclip into the small hole and press the reset button. Hold it down firmly for approximately 12 seconds. You will notice the indicator light on the Nest Connect change colors, signaling that the reset process is underway. Release the button only when the light turns a solid amber color, indicating the device is now factory reset and ready for the next steps. Once the reset is complete, your Nest Connect will be restored to its original factory settings. The next crucial step is to reconnect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. Open the Nest app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen prompts to add the device back to your account. This will allow it to function correctly within your smart home ecosystem, extending the range for your other Nest products.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.